Hello everyone, I'm Home Central Club. Welcome to another awesome video about TBC. Today I want to share with you guys some exciting information that the TBC admin just released today. Okay, I know most of you guys attended the same button meeting, which is very crucial, especially if you're a new person and you need that community, you know, community guidance in order to understand TBC, then you have to attend the same button meetings. Okay. So, but what I want to point out is in the blog section of the Billion Coin app. For those of you guys who don't have the app, go and get the app. Okay, it's free on Google Play Store for Android devices for now. Okay, so so that you will get firsthand every important information as they are being released. Okay, so this information I want to share with you guys has to do with an article inside the announcement for the same button meeting today. All right, so I'll just go and focus on the article. I won't read the whole article, okay, because this is basically the announcement of the same button meeting. So I'll just scroll down because the TVC admin always writes the agenda of the meeting in this blog post. So just scroll down. Most of you guys who have been reading this should know about, you know, doing large transactions and how to contact the Kringle Cash Commissioner. If you want to know more about this, you can contact me, and I will give you links on how to contact the Kringle Cash Commissioner before you do heavy transactions. With heavy transactions, I mean transactions in the space of $1,000 and above, or $500 and above. Okay, just to give the admin a heads up that this is a genuine transaction with proof. So I will say that you can go and read this up yourself. Congratulations to Adichie, Chom, and Victor. Okay, big congratulations, bro. I know you've reached out to me once or twice before about certain things and asked questions, and I'm glad you're winning. You're this week's winner of the Bitcoin contest, which is you're getting 200 grains of gold in Bitcoin. So that means you're getting serious dough. Okay, serious dough. But hey, you can go and find out more. If you want to learn more about the Bitcoin contest, you can always contact me and I'll give you heads up and details. Or you can still go to the blog and read it up yourself. Okay? Alright, so these are all about being a full timer participating in the Bitcoin contest. Now, I want to read this because we just came back from about a week or two wallet maintenance, almost 2 weeks wallet maintenance. Okay, most of you guys were patient, and I applaud you guys. Most of you guys were not patient. I still applaud you guys, but just next time be more patient. Okay, so the TBC admin has a message for those people. Some people reached out to me and told me, "Hey, I have my send button, but I'm yet to get my balance." Now, this was right after I did the video announcing the fact that my balance had come back, and my send button is also back. Okay, so right now the TVC admin is trying to clarify something. Say all send buttons have been turned on for those that have paid the lifetime wallet fee and are in good standing with the TBC community, and most wallet balances are correct at this time. Okay, so most wallets, um, all send buttons have been turned on for those that have paid the lifetime wallet fee and are in good standing with the TBC community. What this good standing means is those who have obeyed the TBC admin and followed the instructions. Okay, so for those of you guys who your send buttons have not been turned off, or were turned off because you did discounting, or maybe you did discounting and the TBC admin used this opportunity of turning it, or of maintaining the wallet to actually take care of the issue that you're supposed to have been sanctioned before. Well, I don't know. Maybe that's the reason you haven't gotten your send button. But the TBC admin is also saying here that we have discovered that some were not in sync. That is talking about the wallet balance. Okay, discovered that some wallet balances are not in sync with the blockchain, and those all should be fixed to the correct balances by tomorrow. Okay, so for those of you guys who were contacting me and told me your send button is displaying, but you have zero balance, the TBC admin is on it. Like I told you guys, when it comes to maintenance, the TBC admin has learned from experience to always give out a little bit of information so that it can control our reactions. Okay, so and I also mentioned, remember I mentioned that he is going to post something the moment he or she is satisfied that the wallet maintenance is over. So it seems like the wallet maintenance is over, and it's just to take care of one or two things there. So this message right here is just to take care of uh, you know, those who already have their send button but their balances are still showing zero, or maybe not what they had before. So the TBC admin is going to work on it to synchronize their own wallets with the blockchain. Now, apart from that, the TBC admin has two major announcements this week. This is the main reason I'm doing this video. Okay, the TBC admin is going to do two awesome things that is going to make signing up new members with introduction of the new admin fee and also the Bitcoin bounty. These two announcements has to do a lot with uh, signing up new people. So this week, the TBC admin will be eliminating the send button test. Okay, so the TBC admin will be eliminating the send button test. So no more answering questions, 10 questions to get your wallet, to get your send button. So the TBC admin is removing that. So this week, the TBC admin will be eliminating the send button test. This test has served its purpose, and now the public notices and Kringle Cash and now the public notices and the Kringle Cash back office dashboard are more than enough to show our full disclosure of what TBC is and how to properly use it. This will increase our speed to sign up new members when moving this step. Each individual is responsible for their own education about TBC, and with over 3,000 blog posts, no one can say admin is not providing a complete education on TBC and our Kringle society. So the TBC admin has done great, marvelous job, uh, implementing this, introducing this, because the same test have actually done this work, okay, and they serve this purpose, and now there are so many options for the TBC admin to pass out information to members, okay, leveraging the public notices and also the Criminal Cash back office. Okay, so the main aim is that it will speed up the sign up of new members, which is true. So all a new member needs to be concerned right now is that they sign up through a referral link of a member, they fill out their profile, okay, and pay the admin fee. Once they pay the admin fee, they become lifetime members of TBC, and 30 days starts counting them for the criminal cash back office. But the most important part in this is that they don't have to go and start answering the send button test question just to be able to, have a send button. So now the TBC admin is scrapping that. You're going to get your send button probably the moment you sign up, or you just have to wait some days. Once the update is done, or once the TBC admin implements the elimination of the send button test, then you can now, it can be easy for you to just get a send button the moment you sign up. So the second major change you see this week is that we removed the gift from cookie rewards, meaning that when somebody signs up with TBC, each time somebody signs up with TBC, they get what is called a gift, and most times it's in form of cookies. Okay, so you get them in form of cookies, and during the redemption period, which happens twice in a year, which is May 1st to 31st, and November 1st to November 30th. Okay, at times it's extended, but these are the normal registered time. Okay, so um, no more waiting till redemption period for you to redeem your new member Kringles into your wallet. So once you sign up, okay, Once you sign up, finish sign up, complete your profile. When you pay your $10, you pay when you pay your admin fee, not $10 anymore. When you pay your admin fee, okay, that is when after 24 hours of paying your admin fee, that is when you will uh, your coins will be sent to you. So right now, instead of converting 25,000 cookies to 250 Kringles during redemption period, the TBC admin has set in such a way that the moment you pay the admin fee, automatically after 24 hours, you'll now see your 250 Kringles right there in your wallet. So from day one, you start having you start free coins in your wallet. Now, this free coin is worth about $2,200. Okay, that's a lot of money. That's about 600 and something thousand, almost 700,000 in Nigeria here. Okay, almost 800,000, whichever one. Okay, so um so the reason why the TVC admin is doing this is because you know it's one thing that somebody signs up with $2 in TBC and the person has to wait 30 good or wait you know for a long time to be able to uh, get uh, what they paid for in their wallet. So right now, the moment somebody signs up, the person pays the admin fee, the person gets the uh, the crane goes after 24 hours in their wallet. So immediately from day one, they can start exploiting, uh, the already existing merchants. They can also contact me for, you know, for links to my online app where they can shop good for goods and services with TBC. So the TBC admin is always looking for ways to support our efforts to bring in new members so we can reach our objective of having 1 million members, which will lead us to fulfilling our mission of ending poverty globally. So it's clear, okay? I hope this message is very clear. If you don't understand it, you can easily text me, WhatsApp me, or comment, okay? Anyone, okay? But just know that the first one has to do with the elimination of same button test so that it is easy for members to, you know, sign up. And number two, cookie reward, receiving your sign up gift in form of cookie reward is no more. So the moment you sign up, pay your admin fee, you will have 250 Kringles worth $2,200 right there after 24 hours in your wallet. So this is what is the latest. Okay, so forgive me if my video sounds horrible, or forgive me if my video is not stable, or my content is not straightforward. Okay, I'll always do my best to keep on improving and making sure that I give you guys value, a quality value. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you don't have the Billion Coin app, make sure you get it, and most importantly, keep on reading the blog and keep on attending the same button meetings, and most importantly, support those who are promoting TBC. Okay, because I know once in a while you reach out to them, so it's very important that you support them so that they keep promoting TBC and keep doing videos that you can use for your marketing purpose. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Bye for now.